In this video, I'll show you how to buy QQQ options on the Robinhood web version step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Robinhood website, then log into your account. Before you start, make sure options trading is enabled in your account settings. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the search bar at the top and type QQQ. From the results, select QQQ to open its page. On the stock page, click on the Trade button and choose Trade Options. This will open the options chain. Now, select an expiration date based on how long you want the trade to last. After that, choose a strike price from the list. If you think the price will go up, select a call option. If you think it will go down, select a put option. Click on the option you want, then choose Buy. Next, enter the number of contracts you want to purchase. Review the total cost and premium, then click on Review Order. Double-check all the details to make sure everything is correct. If it looks good, click on a Submit Buy to place your order. Once your order is filled, you can track your option position in your portfolio. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.